Hi everyone, today I'm making a vegan chicken in garlic and rosemary sauce. So I've already prepared the chicken, the chickpeas, the chopped tomatoes, the garlic and the rosemary into a pan, as you can see. And I've also added in a couple of stock cubes, a little bit of hot water, and that is literally it. Just cook it up now, wait for it to reduce, dish up and drain the potatoes and the veg, plate up the dinner. Perfect for someone like me with 4 children where, you're really consumed for time. There you go. Nice little dinner there. Hope you enjoyed it and thank you for watching.